Hi, kindergarten. You are going to be doing the I sight word in your sight word packet. And I believe this is on the first page. And I think some of you might have done this last week when we were doing it. Instead, you did I. And if you did already do this, that's okay. We'll be doing another sight word today. So this is already finished. If you didn't do this yet, then follow along to these directions. All right, so first, starting at the top, it says trace it. So you're going to trace the letter I. And we have already been doing the letter I for quite a while in kindergarten this year, so this should be great practice. I traced it. Now I am going to write it on my own. And is there enough space for me to write it more than once? Yes. So I'm going to write it 3 times. So I'm going to write I starting on the left. I'm going to do an I in the middle, top to bottom, cross at the bottom, cross at the top. And then top to bottom on the right side, cross at the bottom, cross at the top. 3 I's. Build it. That means I am going to come down here to these letters that are in dotted blocks, and I'm going to go ahead and get scissors, and I'm going to cut all the way across, cut that strip of letters off. And now, what letter sight word are we doing today? I. Should I cut out this little I? Nope, because we always do the I by itself. When we're talking about ourselves, I is going to be capital. So I'm going to cut out this capital I. I'm going to get my glue stick, and I am going to glue it up here in this box right here. Glue that I there. Do I want you to write the letter I there? Nope. I want you to use your scissors and glue, cut these little strips out, and glue the letter I into that box. Find it right here. Find it. What does that mean? I want you to find all the letter I's and circle them. And I see 1, 2, 3, 4 different ones to circle. Use it right here. It says use it. Do I want you just to write I? Nope. I want you to use it in a sentence. And we've been doing that a lot for many weeks this time in kindergarten. So you are going to write the letter I in a sentence. So, what do I want to write using the letter I? I think I'm going to write it at the beginning of my sentence. So I'm going to start over here on the left side because we read left to right and we write left to right. So I, and I might use one of my senses to write about right, because remember we've been working on our senses. So I see, E, I know this is how we write it because we learned the sight word. I see, and I'm looking out my window right now, so I'm going to put I see the, and we know that sight word, the, and leaves, because there are a lot of leaves outside right now. I know there's a silent E because it says a long E here. And leaves. How do I end my sentence? With a period. Do I want you to write the exact sentence I just wrote on use it? No. I want you to think of your own word using the letter I, or in the sight word I, and I want you to remember your capital, spacing in between words, and your period at the end of your sentence.